Right now we're going to look at a 2023 Sierra 420 FL. This is an outstanding floor plan. It's a 1-bedroom front living room. It has 2 sleeper sofas in it. Its MSRP is around, well, let's go look at the window. MSRP is $92, and it's a 420 FL. And it's got a vacuum bonded aluminum superstructure. That means the fiberglass is space age bonded to the aluminum frame. It's not sticking tin, it's the good stuff. There's 5 slides on this trailer, so it gives you plenty of room on the inside. It's a destination trailer, so this particular one does not have holding tanks. It has a regular house flush toilet, but that means you have to be connected to the sewer at all times. Which, when you got a trailer this big, there's not a lot of people gonna tow it around anyway, unless you're me. This is unit number 52481. Let's go on inside and I'll show you all the fine features. It has the Wi-Fi, range extender, underbelly armor, among other things. But the aluminum superstructure vacuum bonded is a big deal. Got beautiful plank PVC flooring, fireplace. Them are the 2 sleeper sofas. It's got dual airs. I got them both running, and it's real nice in here. It's got theater seating, and there are recliners. Thomas Paine, always get name brand from Forest River Sierra. It's got some nice windows. Check this kitchen out. I love the stove. You could cook a small turkey in there, no problem. It's got the island sink. One nice thing, the drawers have full extension ball bearing drawer guides. There's blinds on every window. Privacy shades. I'll show you one of them. The windows are tinted, so it keeps a lot of the ultraviolet rays out of here. It's got a really nice bathroom. Here's the dining area. Table and 4 chairs. The pantry's really nice. It's got a gas water heater. There's the controls for it. Like I said, it's got dual airs. Great big fridge. I'm not gonna open it. It's a great big nice fridge. Foot flush toilet. Check that out. Again, there's no holding tanks on this trailer, so if you want a trailer with holding tanks, you would get to order one. Here's the vanity. Nice big one. Shower's really tall. It's got a nice sprayer. Skylight. There's 2 exhaust fans in this trailer, one in the bathroom, one in the kitchen. There might even be 2 in the kitchen. There's at least 1 dedicated exhaust fans. There's both the screen doors, and then there's flip up storage under the bed. There you have it, nice flip up storage. Great big closet that's contained in the slide out. There's a box in there right now, and I got the screen doors in the way, but you can see there's a great big closet rod, and it's probably 8 feet wide and 5 feet tall. In here you have prep for washer dryer. Definitely fit a stackable in here. That's what I would go for. But at any rate, it's prepped. So if you want a washer dryer, there's where you can put one. It's got end tables, nightstands, outlets by the nightstands, USB chargers by the nightstands. Again, you have privacy blinds on all windows. Ceiling fan in here. Turn that back off. Central vac. I think I pretty well covered everything. I'm going to take some pictures of it. Be sure to hit like and subscribe if you like my videos. I will make some more as long as people keep watching them. Back to that outstanding stove, man. How is that stove? Is that cool or what? And then you got your microwave. Standalone sink with cutting board tops. I'm opening up the fridge here so you can have a look in the fridge. It's got a travel lock on it that I should have unscrewed before I started filming. Anyhow, there's your fridge. Tell me that isn't an outstanding fridge for a trailer. It's got a built-in ice maker. There's the ice maker tray. Okay. So, that pretty well sums it up. We're out in the boondocks, so I got no signal. I'd have to watch a DVD out here. Check out the floor. Flat floor slides. This is a televator. So you can put the TV up and down with the push of a button. If you prefer to look out, you put it down. If you want the TV up so you can watch it, push that button and up she goes. It's got an integrated sound system, DVD, surround sound stereo with outside speakers. You got your fireplace there. Pretty much everything you need. Well, I'm at T&R Sales in Sublette, and this baby is a nice trailer. Come on down and make a deal. MSRP is $92,000, but don't let that scare you. Well, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed my video.